How to replace green screen in CapCut. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Make sure you select green screen and then make sure it's an overlay. Drag it to the front and then press on cut out. After that, go to Chroma Key and make sure color picker is in green. After that, adjust your intensity and shadow. After doing so, as you can see, your green screen has been replaced. That's how you replace green screen in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.